Hello, I'm Lauren Stewart, and I'm going to be singing Sparks Fly by Taylor Swift, and this is my friend Rachel in the background. Don't mind her if she starts moaning and groaning.
I would never.
Rain like a full-on rainstorm, and I'm a house of cards. You're the kind of reckless that should send me running, but I kinda know that I won't get far. And you stood there in front of me, just close enough to touch, close enough to hope you couldn't see what I was thinking of. Drop everything down, meet me in the pouring rain. Kiss me on the sidewalk, take away the pain, 'cause I see sparks fly whenever you smile. Give me with those green eyes, baby, as the lights go down. Give me something that I want you when you're not around, 'cause I see sparks fly whenever you smile. My mind forgets to remind me you're a bad idea. You touch me once and it's really something you find. I'm even better than you imagined I would be. I'm on the guard for the rest of the world, but with you, I know it's no fun. And I could wait patiently, but I really wish you would drop everything now. Meet me in the pouring rain. Kiss me on the sidewalk, take away the pain, 'cause I see sparks fly whenever you